Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, aren't you better when you're cooking with gas? Gas. You see it today, making a Pollo Loco. Got the chicken legs, marinating, half a cup of orange juice, lemon, lime. We're going to season it with accent, garlic powder, paprika, adobo, poultry seasoning, ground turmeric, ground cumin, oregano, white pepper, fresh crushed black pepper. And may go lightly with the Lori's. I don't know, I gotta taste it first. Then we go smoke it on the grill at about 300, 275, indirect, for about an hour, hour and a half. And then we might grill it afterwards, get some char to it, a little sear to it. I'll be back once I get the grill started. Oh, we also gonna put some olive oil in there for the marinade. Probably like a quarter cup, half a cup, we'll see. I'm also gonna add a Raisin seasoning pack. See how it's looking before I add the oil and get to mixing it around. All right, get the Raisin in there. I don't know, I might add two. I don't know. It's a lot of chicken here. Got a good deal on it at the meat market. Some big chickens though. Yeah, I'm gonna add 2 packs of this Raisin. Add 2 packs. Yeah. Hold on. Gotta get my hands washed. You know, nice, clean, impeccable hands. Get those washed. So then we go in with the mixing, because I'm not wearing no gloves. Cook want to touch and feel the food. When be hands on with it, be hands on. Now I wear gloves if I was cooking for somebody else. If I, but it's for me. So I don't see the purpose of me wearing the gloves just because, for the viewers' sake. So I'm the one eating it. Nice, clean, wash, impeccable hands. Chef hands, say yes, chef. See him. Nice, clean, wash, impeccable. Not a blemish in sight. Let's get that olive oil in there. Get this show on the Rizzo. Get this show on the route. I'm gonna say about a quarter cup. Get it mixed up. Oh yeah, it's got a nice color to it. Nice color to it. Nice color to it. Oh, it looks, oh my God, it looks wonderful. Well seasoned. Oh, I gotta put the black pepper on it. I put the white pepper on, the ground white pepper. I gotta put the cracked black pepper on it. I don't know if I want to. I don't think I will. It's too pretty. I might add a little more white pepper. I almost messed the color up. I think I'm gonna transfer it to a Ziploc bag. I think I will. I sliced all the chicken so the flavors could get incorporated into the inside. I also hit it with a little bit of Uncle Dave's spices and rub savory salt. Man, this stuff is delicious. Get you some. www.uncledavespices.com. It feel like it needed a little extra kick, so I put a little bit of the savory salt in there. Man, it tastes wonderful. Now I'm gonna transfer it to a Ziploc. Pour all the juices in there. Let it marinate 1 hour minimum. Some big chickens. Some of them gigantic. This ain't no hormones, no steroids, but I can't tell. All right. Put it back. Get the air out of it. Put up. Perfect. it marinate. Might add some hot sauce. Because why not? Yeah, we add a little hot sauce. Put some crushed red pepper flakes. On second thought, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm tired of spicy. I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's get the kick flavor out of it. Let it marinate 1 hour minimum. All right, about to get that grill started. Got a little light rain, but you know, don't stop no show. Get that grill started. We're gonna get that grill going. I'll be back once I got it lit. See, I got the fire lit, roaring. Slide this down. Put the other rack on. I'll be back. As you see, I got my marinated chicken breasts on there. I mean, my chicken drumstick, chicken legs. My fire roaring. I'm gonna add a little more cherry wood chips. Looking good. First I went to the cook. 30 minutes into the cook, I'm gonna spray it with some Stye lemon lime soda. And add a few more. Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh man, that looks delicious. All right, let's get this closed up and add some more wood chips. I'll be back. 1 hour into the cook, we're gonna go either 30 more minutes or an hour, depending on how I feel. When I go get my thermometer and check the internal temperature, but we either go another hour or 30 minutes. I just sprayed them with the Stye lemon lime soda. I'm gonna add a little more charcoal, a little more wood. Let them smoke, baby. Looking good. I just flipped them too. I just rotated all of them. See the grill smoking, baby. Smoking. And all infused into that chicken. It's gonna be some wonderful Pollo Loco. Yeah, you see it. Got the chicken with the tomato raisin chutney sauce on it. Looking good divine. Man, it's delicious. El Pollo Loco. And I'm gonna top something, I'm gonna sit something on top. You see it. Yeah, you see it. Got the grilled chicken, El Pollo Loco, with the chutney sauce, the broccoli with cheese. There you have it. Da-da-da-da-da. Gas, cooking with gas, cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you're cooking with gas. Da-da-da-da-da. Gas. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You see the golden raisins, the garlics, and the jalapenos in there. Looks going to divide.